Welcome back to Zoria's Kitchen. Today on the menu we have homemade potato chips. Trust me, this is the easiest recipe you'll ever come across and the most delicious. These chips are savory, crunchy, crispy, salty, all in one. So let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 6 medium-sized potatoes, salt to taste, and 2 to 3 cups of canola oil for frying. The first thing you want to do is peel your potatoes. Give them a good wash once they're peeled. Now start slicing your potatoes. I'm cutting them into roughly 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter slices. Soak your slices in an ice bath for 5 to 10 minutes. Drain your potatoes and pat them dry. Next, heat your cooking oil in a deep fryer or a large heavy pot to 325 degrees. Carefully add the sliced potatoes in batches, ensuring that there is no overcrowding. Fry your slices for 4 to 5 minutes until they are lightly golden brown but not fully cooked. Remove the partially fried potatoes and place them on a paper towel to absorb excess oil. Now heat the oil again, and this time to 375 degrees. Fry the potatoes in batches for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until they turn golden brown and crispy. Remove your potatoes from the oil and place them on a paper towel to drain the excess oil again. Immediately sprinkle with salt while they're still hot. And there you have it, homemade potato chips ready within minutes. These make for a perfect side for burgers, sliders, fried chicken, or even just a snack on their own. Check out my beef slider recipe in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Until next time.